saying she hasn't seen your car before.
Oh, okay.
All right.
I mean, she might have seen me in the parking lot.
Maybe.
Hey y'all. This is our last hoorah before
Hoorah!
Lamb leaves for college.
Okay. Wait.
We're not gonna think about it too much right now. We'll cry when the cameras are off.
Yeah.
But anyways, let's see how you feeling.
Okay. Who is this?
I just
Just in the middle of the street. Come on, man.
I'm sorry.
Make it hit. Okay. Matt, how you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. Hopefully we're gonna have fun.
Oh, we always have fun. I'm really sure of it.
Hungry.
Me too.
Me too.
No, you don't know the anger that was seeping through my bones when I came out here Tuesday and said they were closed.
They closed on
Again?
Tuesday.
Yes. I didn't know.
we had
It
went
was-
and they
I
were
literally put
closed.
it into my map.
And when it said it was open.
It said closed.
You just
But
went at your own time, babe.
Yeah, I wasn't even paying attention to that. But yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Serang. Last time we went, y'all not gonna see the video because I was filming the whole time and the sound was not on, so that video is just cut. But it's like a little restaurant or whatever, so we'll maybe see y'all when we get there, and we might maybe do a fit check. Not gonna make no promises, but bye. Y'all say bye.
Bye.
Hey y'all. We're at the park. We got our food from Serang. We ready to chow down. Yeah. We all got boneless Korean fried chicken. But I got the fork. We got forks right there.
Oh, yeah.
But I got fried rice. Come on, man.
There you go.
But I got fried rice, you know? Yeah.
Oh, it's got carrots in it.
I like carrots. So yeah, talk to y'all maybe later when I get home. Alright y'all, we're at the park that we wanted to go to. Who wants to do their fit check first?
Yeah.
Me? Please. Here. Let me turn it around so you can tell me what to do.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the fit check.
Yep.
Yes, it was my butt crack out.
No. But that though.
Where?
Where'd it go? Oh, right there. Oh, there's a multiple.
Multiple.
Like little tiny fish.
Look, they're shells.
Like minnows. I know there are a bunch of shells. So cute.
Okay. Go ahead and do your
Yeah, okay.
fit check.
I already did my little fit check.
Okay.
We don't have to tell them where it's from. Okay. Lamb. Ooh. Yo, go ahead, give us a little spin. Ooh.
Mouth. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Glad.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Little spin. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go see the fishies.
But yeah, we out here at this little creek we got here. Now, if I fall, it would be likely to fall. Let me put this strap on my. People be in here like swimming though, like swimming for real.
Look at all these shells.
There's a ton of shells and stuff. You got one?
It's black. Just like my soul.
Okay. Okay. This is so nice. All this pain in my heart.
It need to be like a whole like path.
I know. Like,
If we go over there, it's like it's more of a path.
okay, let's go. Let's find it.
Get my backpack.
Oh, that's what it is.
In the water. Not the fall.
Do a little cute little hop. Nothing too crazy. Oh,
You wanna borrow all my sandals?
nah, it's okay. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm ready to get close. Is that a watermelon?
Yeah.
Okay. feel like that's racist somehow.
What if I would have fucking fell?
Don't fall
I would
back.
have like took my own
It's
life.
not deep. It's pretty shallow.
You just get wet
Yeah.
and then be uncomfortable.
Be a little soggy. Bless you. There are little bitty fishies here and there. We're at Thorns now. We took our little picture. They getting them some Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew for the girls. Mountain Dew for the girls. Now I'm about to get my ice. You say something about me being an ice eater? You're anti me. This is the only way. That's the only way. I might pay for it. Guys, oh, my fault. Guys, all down in my shirt. Trying to figure out if I won't pay for this ice or if I just won't walk out. It's just ice. I'm gonna pay for it. Not for I'm gonna pay for it though.
There's this one over by it has self-checkout.
I love the self-checkout.
I be walking out with my ice. I'll see y'all when I get home. This is a Smoothie Made in production.